Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight.
Stylish double-story penthouse apartment at the most popular riverside location in Claisebrook. Ladies and gentlemen, don't miss out on this gorgeous property, number 2237 Brown Street, East Perth.